Desperate to try out the new Sky Replacement feature on your phone? In this video, I'm going to tell you about that. Now you can try this method on any phone, it's just the fact that your phone should be running on Android. Here are some samples so that you can get an idea how good it actually is. And so all you have to do is to open Play Store or click on the link in the description box below and install the app called Picnic. It has received 4.7 ratings out of 5 with over 1 million downloads on Play Store. Once you have installed it, open the app and select the gallery option. In settings, you can disable the notifications as they can be irritative a lot of times. Moving on, simply select the picture from your desired folder and try out new filters. Do note that it might not work on some photos as it is just running on its own algorithms, unlike MIUI filter which uses AI engine of your phone. Still, it works so perfect with almost 100% accuracy, and I was shocked to see that. You can customize the effect strength for non-sky area too, so that you are always getting a perfect look. One of my favorite filter is the night filter, and it has a different league of its own. To bring it out, make it look a little bit more effective, I'll edit this on Snapseed. Simply adjust brightness, contrast and structure. This is what I got, ready to get millions of likes on Instagram. Now I am running on stock Android Pixel experience, and as you can see that MIUI gallery trick isn't working. So yes, this trick by installing the Picnic app can work on any phone. So that's it for now guys, I hope that you like this video. In case you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon. This is signing off. Peace.